Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. We're going to be starting off with the S&P 500. As you can see, just based on the chart, simple line chart, and you can see that there's a lot of work below this market. Now what I mean by that is the market has broken out to the upside, which was right here, and you can see this tremendous amount of work that's just below this market going all the way back to March. This is going to now act as support. Still bullish on the market. We're still looking for this market to go higher. You could see the 2040 up to, let's say, the 2120 level. So we could easily see another 80 points. I would say around the 2200 level would not be out of question on this particular index. So this is the S&P 500 spot index, and this looks very good. All of our trade triangles are positive. You're over the 50 line in terms of the trend. Everything looks very, very good to us. So let's move on. This is the Dow, much the same picture. We'll put a little color in there for you, but you can see, I think the way this market's acting today, I would not be surprised to see it actually do very well later in the day. So we're over the 50 line again, plus 100 the score. The trend is clearly up, and we also have, as I mentioned before, in the S&P 500, we have a lot of information, a lot of data below the market, which should act as support. I think we'll see any kind of pullback. We'll see some support in this market. That's on the Dow. A little bit of a different picture in the NASDAQ. You can see this is just back and forth, really no strong trend. We still have a mixed picture. You can see we're 75 here. This particular triangle, the important one, if it goes green, that's a go. The only way that's going to go green this week is if we see this market actually go over this area. So I don't think that's going to happen. But you never know. But the trend in the NASDAQ is sideways. You're looking at a positive trend in both the Dow and the S&P 500. This is spot gold. Very interesting picture there. You have a picture, a mixed picture. You should be out of the market. You can see where we had our signal to be out of the market right here at the 1,212 level. Market's currently trading 1,210, just about the same level. But the reality is, this market did make a breakout to the upside. We do have a green weekly trade triangle telling us the intermediate trend is positive on gold over the 50 level. I would be out of this market or more inclined to buy it if we see a little more support coming in, maybe a couple more days, and then a turn back up. I would think that would be an ideal time to buy gold. So this is crude oil. You can see we got out of this market right here at 60.10, confirmed here. It's a trading range. 65 is the sideways score, indicating a trading range. We're below the 50 line, indicating we may have to see some more sideways action before. But it's a little bit, I think you want to be a little bit careful here, because it looks as though the market's beginning to round itself in terms of just beginning to just move over slightly that way. So be very, very careful. If we see the market certainly go below 57, then I think we're going to see this market come under a lot more pressure. So let's watch that very, very carefully. But you should be out of this market at the moment. This is the Eurodollar. We've been bullish on the Eurodollar. We were thinking it can go to maybe 14.5, 15. That's 114 and 115. We high we got was 114.64, so it's kind of mid-range, close enough. We exited the position at 113.24. It's currently trading at 110.99. So we think this market's still going to be sideways to a little more pressure. Minus 75, not quite a full downtrend. We want to wait to see the green turn to red on the intermediate term trend. That's the weekly, and that could very easily happen should we see the market probably go under the 110.66 level. Let's see how that plays out for the rest of the day, but just be careful on the sidelines in this market at the moment. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison for Market Club. Thanks for stopping by. It's a quick update. Have a great trading day, everyone. Ask about any market and get an answer. Only for members and only from marketclub.com.